Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce the Qualsen static window film, an opaque privacy film. Because with this film over your glass surface, you can get more privacy at home or at the office. It is a self-adhesive frosted glass film. That means it's a privacy film. And it's really easy to attach, as you can see. This, where I'm going to attach it now, right here, is really big. I'm using two static window films, lines of it. And it works really cool and it looks awesome, as you can see. It makes a really cool privacy job, as you can see. But it is more. It is a floral decoration film and anti-UV. It filters your ultraviolet rays out of the sunlight. It's really cool for the bathroom, for the kitchen, for the bedroom, or for your office. And it is on the market in different sizes. 44.3 to 200 centimeter available, 44.3 to 300 centimeter available, 44.3 to 400 million centimeters, or it's on the market, and 60 to 300 centimeters. Oh yeah, or 60 to 400 centimeters, or 90 to 200 centimeters, are shown here 90 to 300 centimeters. It's available in black, as shown before, and now you can see the white version, because it's white on the market and black on the market. It is a vinyl film which you can cut in the right dimension as you like. We have a top privacy decorative glass film with this. Privacy more than 95% at a distance of 20 centimeters. The frosted window film with an elegant floral pattern provides us with privacy and glass decoration. Instantly transform our ordinary glass into a beautiful frosted flower window. And there's more what this film can make. It blocks UV rays. The static decoration windows films blocks the UV rays. It's blocked the view of others, but does not block the sunlight. This stained film filters strong light. This allows us to enjoy healthy sunlight and reduce the fatigue and aging of our furniture. And it comes with a no-glue design. That means it's self-adhesive. Static clank window film. It requires only water with soap. It's a soap water mixture. It's easy to stick and remove. It leaves no stains or residues on the glass when we peel it off in a couple of years. It comes with PVC material. It's reusable and durable. We have a wide range of uses. We can be used for glass windows and doors in bathrooms, living rooms, kitchens, office, and other clean and smooth surface locations. It's really easy, okay? The first step is we clean the window. Then we take the film and make a rough cut of it, okay? So that the dimensions are matches. Then we go and peel off the protective film from the smooth side. This is really important to spray a lot of soap water on it. And then we apply it to the glass. After we make the right edge to edge moving by our hands, we are going to use a squeegee and get out the soap water which is under the film. We go right, left, up and down and remove all water. After this, maybe we have to cut on the edges, on the ends, or up, down, left, right a little bit at the edges, because sometimes it does not match at the first time. But then we're ready. that it is. It's really easy. Really. That's really cool. And it makes a good job. And it's easy to apply. Because it is a static window film. And the surface on surface make a static holding. It does not require any glue. So it's better for all surfaces and better for the film to remove it maybe later. So you can mix with the white version or the black version, or maybe in the future with another version of a Qualsen static window film. It is a really cool thing for get privacy in nearly every location where are glasses, windows, or flat surfaces. Of course, you can get this, apply this to a flat surface which is painted, for example, and then you have a nice decoration thing with that. This is the Qualsen static window film. It's a privacy film, a self-adhesive frosted glass film. A really cool looking privacy film in black or white as you need. It's a floral decoration film. And it brings you an UV filter for our bathroom, for our kitchen, for our bedroom, or for the office. Where you have a flat surface, you can install it and it looks really great. This window here cost me up to 1.5 hours, and it was done. And it looks really cool, isn't it? I like the black version a little bit more than the white version. What do you say? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.